Hey, welcome! It's not a week, not a Monday. I cleaned up this mess yesterday. And I need to make an Eelco show to give away some shirts, yeah! I got received some shirts. That was the package I received Saturday. Yeah. Whoosh! You have been a naughty girl. You have been hugging with my tricking teacher. That is so awesome. Well done. How did you manage to find him though? I might make a little change in the vlogs because I want to respond to videos more. I want to give a response to a video. And I want to do it on the main channel. I want to do it on the EelcoVlogging channel. I am gonna post a video response on the beginning of the of a video, maximum 10 to 15 seconds, so a quick video response to a video from someone, then the intro, and then the vlog itself. And I was just wondering what you guys think about it. So, you know, inviting people over and having a party now and then is quite fun, but finding nuts back 3 weeks later is not so much fun. Really? Nuts 3 weeks later? That's just nuts! So, a little past 12. First two tasks of the day done already. Blue skies. Nice. Nicely. 1 o'clock. Time to get back to work. Woohoo! Uh-oh. I haven't vlogged for about... Oh, what do you think? The last time you saw the clock it was a little bit after 1. Now it's a little bit towards 2. Okay, let me give you a little hint. Ooh, I got another good one. Love. Love, what all connects us. Ooh, that might be an interesting subject for a second. But love is the Dutch word of the day, and it means liefde.